This lesson is on telling time to the nearest 5 minutes. When we look at a clock, there's an hour hand and the minute hand. If you look on this clock, you see the hour hand is on the 2, that's the red hand, and the blue hand, the minute hand, is on the 12. This means it's 2 o'clock. Every time we go around to the next number, we're going to increase the time by 5 minutes. So if we start at 2 o'clock and we go to the 1, it's now 2:05. If we go to the 2, it's now 2:10. If we go to the 3, it's 2:15, 2:20, 2:25, 2:30. I'm going to stop right here for a sec to show you that that hour hand is now in the middle of the 2 and the 3, because as the minute hand moves around the clock, the hour hand moves as well. So we'll start at 2:30, 2:35, 2:40, 2:45, 2:50, 2:55, 3 o'clock. Let's practice one more time. 3 o'clock, 3:05, 3:10, 3:15, 3:20, 3:25, 3:30. Notice that hour hand is moving too. 3:35, 3:40, 3:45, 3:50, 3:55, 4 o'clock. Let's look at this first clock. We see that the hour hand is on the 5 and the minute hand is on the 3. And remember, when we go around the clock, each time it's 5 minutes. So we know that this is 5:15. 5 stands for the hour and the 15 is the 15 minutes after. Let's look at another clock. On this clock, the hour hand is between the 6 and the 7, and the minute hand is on the 8. Now let's go around the clock and count, since we don't have numbers on this clock, to see where it would be. It would be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. We know that this clock says 6:40. Let's look at another clock. On this clock, the hour hand is a little after the 10 and the minute hand is on the 5. Let's count to see. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. The minute hand is 25 minutes after 10. So we would say that it's 10:25. On this clock, the hour hand is very close to the 3. It's not on the 3 yet, and the minute hand is on the 10. So let's count by 5s around the clock to see where the minute hand is. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. This clock says 2:50. Remember, we said the hour hand was close to the 3, but it's not on the 3 yet. So it's not 3:50, it's 2:50. On this clock, the hour hand points to the 1 and the minute hand points to the 2. Let's count by 5s. 5, 10. The minute hand is pointing 10 minutes after 1. So we would say that it's 1:10. Let's look at this clock. The hour hand is very close to the 1. It's not on the 1 yet, and the minute hand is on the 9. So let's count by 5s to see where the minute hand is. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. This time is 12:45. Because remember, we said it's not to the 1 yet, it's close, so it's not 1:45, it's 12:45. Let's look at one last clock. The hour hand is a little bit after the 8, and the minute hand is on the 4. So let's count by 5s to find how many minutes after 8 this is. 5, 10, 15:20. This clock is 20 minutes past 8, so we would say that it is 8:20. That concludes our lesson today on telling time to the nearest 5 minutes.